if A, B, C and D, F are both 3-digit numbers such that A, B, C, D, E and F are distinct non-zero digits. Okay, it's distinct and non-zero. Now, if you look into the paper, in many places you can see distinct, non-zero and all. So that is actually very important. So you cannot take 0 here and you have to take all the numbers different. That is very important. Okay, such that ABC plus DF, ABC plus DEF is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. What is the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F? So here there are actually many possibilities are there. So for different values of A, B, C and D, F, you will get same 1, 1, 1, 1 answer. So just try to come into one of that possibility. So just take any numbers here. So if I take C is equal to 8, any number, 8 plus 3 is 11. So 1 will come here and remaining 1 will come there. Now if I am taking this as 4 plus 1 is 5. So I need to take this as 6 because 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 will come here and 1 will come here. Now if I take this as 9 plus 1 is 10. If I put 1 here, then it is becoming 11. So if I take 948 plus 163, it's going to be 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is one possibility. Now if you add 9 plus 4, that is 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 1, 22, 28 and 31. You are going to get 31. So 31 is the answer. So 948 plus 163 is not the one possibility here. There are different possibilities. For example, if I put 9, okay, if I put CS 9 and if I put FS 2, 9 plus 2 is 1, then 1 will come, 9 plus 2 is 11. So 1 will come here and 1 will come here. Now if I put 3 here, 3 plus 4 is 3 plus 1 is 4, then plus 7 is 11, 1 will come here and 1 will come here, right? Now if I put 6 here, 6 plus 1 is 7, then plus 4 is 11. Okay, it also comes 1, 1, 1, 1. In this way there are several possibilities. So even if you put any possibility, you are going to get the total A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F is equal to 31. Okay.